Alright, let's take a look at a video sent by a friend of mine, shot with his DJI Neo 2, following his bike. At first, everything looks calm and controlled. The footage is stable, the framing is clean, and the movement feels almost effortless. But as we go further, you'll start to notice sharper curves, quicker accelerations, and more aggressive changes in direction. This is where small drones usually struggle. Either the image starts to wobble, or the tracking begins to fall apart. What's interesting here is how composed the drone stays. The 2-axis gimbal keeps the image steady without feeling overprocessed, and the flight path remains smooth even as the speed increases. As obstacles come into play, the drone adjusts naturally, avoiding them without sudden stops or awkward movements that would break the shot. The follow mode being used here is technically designed for bicycles, but as you can see, it adapts surprisingly well to a heavier, faster-moving bike. Tracking stays locked, framing remains consistent, and the drone doesn't feel rushed or confused when the pace changes. There's also something very satisfying about how everything flows together. The motion, the speed, the stability. Nothing feels forced, it just works. So instead of overanalyzing every second, it's better to simply enjoy the ride. And watch how the DJI Neo 2 behaves when the flying stops being gentle and starts getting real.